Wondering how to delete all the liked posts on Instagram? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to unlike photos on Instagram at once. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the icon at the bottom right. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Tap on Your Activity. Go to Likes. Here, it will show you all the liked contents. Tap on the Select at the top right. Then select the post that you want to unlike. Since Instagram doesn't give the option to select all the posts at once, you have to select them individually. Then, after you're done, simply tap on Unlike at the very bottom. Tap on Unlike again to confirm. And that is how to unlike all posts on Instagram at once. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.